4,800 yuan per ton. It cost over 7,000 yuan in total. A friend from Qingtai, Hebei contacted me. When I saw the photo, I laughed. That's not from the 70s. It's an 80s Toyota Crown chassis code 120, model 122. It's been sitting for 20 years, right? Still have the original key, yes, great. The body looks okay. The front windshield shattered. Front glass completely broken. You can even see mold marks inside. Blue interior, nice. Let's check the engine. Open the hood, come on. Can't open the hood, okay. Front windshield cracked badly, right. It's fine, it's fine. Haven't touched this for years. Any filler on the hood, none. Engine's at 2.8 liters straight 6. Just missing the battery. As long as that's okay, we can get it running with a new one. Swap the battery, okay, got it. No problem, got the air hose. Just open it a little. Otherwise, if we drag it, the tire might tear. This car's a beauty. Crown 122. This engine's easy to fix. Yes, quite easy. Body panels are still solid. Side panels too. Lower part might need work. But okay, bottom's fine. Not bad at all. Let's check the mileage. 333,341 kilometers, wow. That's something. Over 300,000 kilometers on a Crown. The windshield's really cracked though. We'll fix it later. Rear side. Door panels. Seats have covers. Been protected all this time. Seat filler. Plastic trim piece. It's been sitting here for over 20 years. Look at those tires. Still inflates easily. Okay, a little more pressure. Not moving, let's push it around. Come on, give it a bump. Go. Okay. Alright. The wheel's not turning, alright. Still no air in the tire. Yeah, brakes are a bit stuck. It's fine, come on. Got it, good. The wheels are a bit stiff. No need to tow. No tow needed. It could slip sideways if we do. Can't fit it. Let's just pull it out straight. Aha! After 20 years, it finally sees daylight again. Look at that view. Trial okay. Alright, it's loaded up. This should be all original parts, right? No, not original. Oh, not original. Okay. Any other spare parts? No, everything's inside this shed. Old tractor parts here. And that's all. Everything related to the car's right here. Let's double check we didn't miss anything. Okay, don't move. Grab that air filter, yeah, that one. It's useful, keep it. Okay. Put the filter in the car, alright. Let's head home. Farewell, my dreamlike crown. Bye. Come visit me when you have time. Sure. Bye. Saw an old lady there, basking in the sun. Looks so peaceful. Let's go. My story with old cars continues. First thing after we get home, fix the crown. Spend another 1,000 yuan on shipping to bring it home safely. This Crown 122's body is still solid overall, but the front windshield is cracked. From experience, I can tell the engine doesn't have major issues. It's a straight 6 naturally aspirated engine, easy to work on. So, I didn't hesitate to buy it. Brought it home immediately. Now it's finally here. Alright guys, the Crown's home. Next step, let's fix it. Let's see if we can revive it in a day. That's the goal. Let's go. Ha, not bad. The hydraulic struts still work. It's a 5 meters engine. Straight 6 from 1987. This car. Heaven bless us. Let's hope it starts smoothly. After drying the engine bay, first step, remove and clean the air filter. Then disconnect the fuel line to prevent dirty fuel from entering the carburetor. Next, the usual process. Remove all the spark plugs. Pour some engine oil inside each cylinder for lubrication. Let's check the plugs. Hey, you know what? Burn marks are clean. White tips, no carbon buildup. We've spent so much already. Let's not cheap out now. Replace all spark plugs with new ones. The last mechanic was wild. 3 different plug types in one engine. Haha, unbelievable. There's some oil mist inside the cylinders. But overall, nothing serious. Let's add more oil in. That'll lubricate it nicely before starting. Remove the fuel line. Put it into a bottle. The old battery's dead. We'll replace it with a new one. No cutting corners here. A fully charged battery ready to go. Make sure the terminals are tightly connected. Avoid loose contact. Before starting, check the oil. Oil is black and dirty, not ideal. But let's ignore that for now. First, let's try to start it. If the engine runs fine, then we'll change the oil later. Alright, crank it up. Alright. It's turning, good sign. Our motto, if it turns, it'll run. It's rotating fine. We'll definitely get it running. Okay, stop for now. Let's check for spark. Just praised it, now no spark. Let's see what's wrong. Wiring issue maybe. Let's trace it. Old cars like this always have wiring issues. Check the contact points. Maybe they're oxidized or dirty. Polish all rusted spots with sandpaper till shiny. Once clean, the ignition will work again. That's probably the problem. Try it again. Okay, it's working. We've got spark. Perfect. Replaced everything with new parts. Experience tells me it'll start soon. It's rotating fine. High voltage is good. We've got ignition. Add a bit of fuel. It'll start right up. Haha, nice. Crank it again. No problem. See that? It's trying to start. Keep going. There we go. Engine's alive. It's running beautifully. This engine's fantastic. Smooth and steady. No engine issues at all. Next, clean the fuel lines. Reconnect the upper fuel hose and we're good. Wow. That fuel is filthy. We must clean the gas tank. If this fuel enters the engine, it's over. After cleaning it completely, we'll try starting it again. Perfect, engine runs great. Alright, let's see if it can actually drive. Hey, look at that. Japanese engineering. Amazing. It's moving. Ah. Alright guys. Let's give it a full wash next. And do full maintenance on the engine. You know what? After washing it looks absolutely stunning. Next, deep clean interior. Blue exterior and blue interior combo. Once cleaned, it'll be gorgeous. Reviving a car that's been asleep for decades. Pulling it out of the garage, bringing the engine back to life. And cleaning every inch. This process is unbelievably satisfying. Look at this interior, beautiful. Right. Next time, when we film an 80s movie, we'll use this classic crown. Alright friends, my story with old cars continues. That's all for today. See you tomorrow for more restoration work.